Now, let's use our new and improved method by opening up our master file, whatever you named it. And here we already have this embedded. We already have the attribute set to whatever we have keyed in for the selection. But let me go ahead and deselect it. Here's what we have to do. In these flat versions of the Mosaic actions, twirl this open, and then we still want to set selection, but click on copy, shift click on paste in place. So you get these first three. If layer is toggled open, just toggle it shut so you have these first three, and then come down, and if you hold on option when you click on the trash can, I'm not going to do it so you can see I get this if I don't hold down option. So I'm going to hold down option just to get rid of those three, and boom. Now if I come up here, this is the 2x2, I can play this action and notice that I don't get a new layer. I don't get a duplicate. I don't have that excess baggage going on. And now I can do a save as, Shift Command S, and save this, hit the right arrow to move my cursor to the end of this, and I'm just going to save it as 2x2. Hit return again, Command W to close it, and then open up our mod file again. And then twirl this shut. Let's go to 4x4, click, shift click, option click on the trash can, click on the name, play the action, save as, right arrow, 4x4, hit return twice, Command W, and now we've got our second one done, and we open up our master file. Now, to save time, I already deleted all these other ones, so you didn't have to watch me do it. But how cool is this, that you just play this and you get these different versions? And I hope you can see how quickly you can build up a library of these different shapes at different overall sizes. These are 5,000, these are 6s. So you would have this arsenal of colorful imagery that then, of course, we've got recolor artwork, and we can do all kinds of things with. If you don't like, hey, these three are kind of the same value, wouldn't it be nice to change that? Well, then you'd have to do a save as again so that you don't overwrite this original file. Again, it all comes down to file management, and I'm not going to, I've already saved this. I'll do a save as just so you can see. Now we have all these files in a single folder that are all adjacent to one another that we can work on and then place these in Photoshop so our layers get named appropriately. This is just a much more efficient way to work. Now, may hit cancel. Sorry about that. And I'm finding that I can just buzz through this in Photoshop so much more quickly once I've generated all these. And I don't have to worry about the lag in that Illustrator file that has layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. Like I said, I'm learning how to do this just like you, and I give you my best understanding as I begin to understand. So, working together. This is the creative process, and I want you guys to wrap your head around this. Come up with your own epic ideas, share them with me, and I'll share them out with everybody else. And give you credit, of course. Have a great creative MacLab day.